Welcome students. Come towards next part, that is well known to you, arc length and area of a sector. Okay, what is arc length? Arc length, you know, part of a circumference. Part of a circumference. Okay, this is, we call it as a arc length. Okay, but let AB consider a circle. What we do? A circle with center O and radius R. Okay, then take, we know that arc let AB be an arc having length, say S. AB, part of a circumference whose length is, say, S, and central angle be theta radian. This angle be theta radian, the angle made by the arc with center. Why it is not 1 radian? Because it is not equal to radius. Some length, say S, then central angle be theta degree. We know that as central angle, arc length, we know that arc length, this arc length increases, central angle also. If arc length is here, central angle increases. Arc length here, central angle increases. Arc length here, central angle increases. Means arc length is directly proportional to central angle. And therefore, when length of arc AB equal to S, then angle AOB equal to theta radian. Okay, as arc length increases, when arc length equal to whole length of that circumference, that is length of arc A B A, म्हणजेच काय, circumference, length of arc equal to circumference, that is equal to 2 pi r. Then that central, measure of central angle ABA equal to how many? You know that 360 degree. This is, we call it as a number 2. We know that arc length is proportional to central angle, and therefore divide 1 by 2, 1 upon 2 gives you S. When arc length is S, then central angle is theta radian. When arc length is 2 pi r, central angle is 360 degree. Okay, 360 degree, but we are in radian. But 360 degree means how many radian? 2 pi radian, and therefore here also we write 2 pi radian. That is, when 2 pi cancel from both sides, 2 pi, same number, and what is remaining part? Implies S equal to r theta radian, and this is a formula for finding the length of an arc of a circle. This is the formula, yes, where theta is in radian. If it given in degree, convert it into is in radian. तो रेडियन मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचा बाय मल्टिप्लाइंग पाय अपॉन 180. This is the first formula for finding the arc length. Say S equal to r theta. Okay, then turn towards sectorial area of a sector. See here, this is a sector. When arc length is S, then this part we call it as a sector. Okay, you know it. Now how to find its area? Okay, area of a sector. Let say area of this sector be say A. Okay, when arc length, we know that central angle is also proportional to area. We know central angle. Okay, proportional to area of sector. How? See, as angle increases केला, sector पुन्हा वाढेल, angle पुन्हा वाढला, sector पुन्हा वाढेल. As central angle increases, area also increases, and therefore when angle AOB equal to theta radian, then area of sector AOB equal to say A. When central angle, measure of central angle is AOB equal to theta radian, then this area, suppose area of this sector is say A. We know that central angle increases when measure of angle ABA, this angle, total angle ABA, and that is equal to how many? 360 degree means how many? 2 pi radian. Then area of sector means equal to area of circle, and which is equal to pi r square, area of circle. And therefore again, first I give 1, this I give 2, and therefore 1/2 gives you, when angle is theta radian, then area is say A. When angle is 2 pi radian, then area is say pi r square. And therefore by again cancel pi throughout, you got theta upon 2 equal to A upon r square. And therefore what is A? A equal to 1/2 r square theta, where theta is in radian, and this is a formula for finding the area of a circle. But when arc length is given, say S equal to r theta, this area can be also written as 1/2 r into r theta, and this r theta equal to arc length, and therefore it is also in terms of arc length is 1/2 r S, area of a sector. You know both the formulae, but they are given in degree measure. Here we convert them in radian measure. Okay, arc length and area of a sector. Okay, again see, when we know that central angle increases, area also increases. When central angle is theta radian, area is A radian. When central angle is 360 degree means 2 pi radian, then area equal to area of a sector and circलचा एरिया सेम येईल. आणि म्हणून हे दोन्ही इक्वेशनचं इक्वेटिंग केलं तर तुम्हाला हे रिलेशन मिळतं, अँड दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ एरिया ऑफ अ सेक्टर, अँड दॅट इज A इक्वल टू 1/2 pi r square or 1/2 r, yes, sorry, 1/2 r square theta or 1/2 r, yes. Okay, we come up to this. Now we see the problems on this arc length and area of a sector. See the problem on arc length and area of a circle. Simple problem. Okay, what is this? Find the length of an arc of a circle which subtends an angle of 108 at the center. Means central angle is given to you. Okay, if diameter of a circle, diameter is given, radius is not given, we have to find. Also find the area of a corresponding sector. Okay, what we say? Let central angle theta equal to 108 degree. काय आहे हा? सेंट्रल अँगल आहे. ओके, सेंट्रल अँगल, कन्वर्ट इट इनटू डिग्री. सो सॉरी, रेडियन, पाय अपॉन 180 रेडियन, and that is equal to, if we divide by it, okay, 36 threes, see, 360, 36 into 3, 6 threes 18, 10, 36 threes 36 fives, 3 pi upon 5 radian. Okay, 36 5, 5 6 30, carry 3, 15 plus 3 18, 3 pi by 6. Am I correct? Okay, you calculate yourself also. You got central angle also, and if r radius of given circle, then what is to be given? Diameter. Diameter means 2 times radius, and which is given to be 30 centimeter, and therefore what is radius? What is radius? 15 centimeter. You know got central angle, you know radius, and therefore what is arc length? And therefore arc length formula say yes equal to r theta radian. If we put the values, what r equal to 15 and theta radian 3 pi upon 5, 5 ones 5 threes, and that is equal to 9 pi centimeter, because it is arc length, because it is arc length. Okay, and area of sector, you have two formulas in terms of arc length or directly, which is 1/2 r square theta or 1/2 rs, use annual, that is equal to 1/2 r square. What is r? 15 square into theta. Theta is 3 pi upon 5, and if we calculate it, you got 1/2 15 square, 15 into 15 into 3 pi upon 5, 5 ones 5 threes, and that is equal to 3 threes 9. Okay, 15 into 9, 9 5s 45, 9 ones 9, 9 plus 4. Okay, am I correct? Upon 2 pi, area is there, and therefore unit is centimeter square. Centimeter square. In this way we find the area of a given sector and also the arc length. Very simple and very easy part. If asked in exam, you got 3 marks. Okay, such question asked for 3 marks. Only they are arc length, then that is for only up to this, we got 2 marks. In this way, such simple questions are here. Now we see another problem from this. See this problem. The radius of a circle is 9 centimeter. Means radius, suppose this is a circle with center O and radius is 9 centimeter. R equal to 9 centimeter. Okay, find the length of an arc of this circle which cuts off a chord of length equal to radius. ह्या chordची जी length आहे equal to काय आहे, radius आहे. मग आपण काय मानू, let AB be chord of length equal to radius equal to say 9 centimeter. Okay, if we join OA and OB, then which type of triangle is this? AOB. See in figure, this is OA is radius 9, this is radius, this is also radius, and therefore OAB is equilateral triangle. Which type of triangle? Equilateral triangle. And if it is an equilateral triangle, then we know that what is measure of this angle, and therefore angle AOB equal to, each angle is of measure 60 degree, means how many radian? 60 into pi upon 180 radian means pi upon 3 radian. And once you know central angle, you know also radius. Also here given R to be 9 centimeter, and therefore what is arc length? What is arc length? Formula is arc length equal to R into theta radian. R is 9 into pi upon 3, and that is 3 pi centimeter, because it is arc length. And in this way, very simple problems. Okay, we see the next problem in it. See the problem. Find the angle in degrees subtended at the center of a circle. At this time what they ask? Central angle they ask. Circle by an arc whose length is 15 centimeter and radius of a circle is 25 centimeter. What is to be given? What is to be given? Arc length. Arc length, whose arc length is 15 centimeter. Okay, 15 centimeter. Then radius of a circle is 25 centimeter. Then what is they ask? And theta काय आहे? Central angle unknown to you. So which formula we know? We have S equal to R into theta radian, and therefore theta radian equal to S upon R. So S is 15, R is 25. So 15 upon 3 upon 5, and that is equal to how many? 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 means how many radian? Okay, 3 upon 5 radian means 0.6 or हा झाला तुमचा रेडियन अँगल. आपल्याला कशात विचारला आहे? डिग्रीमध्ये विचारला आहे. मग काय करणार? 3 upon 5 into 180 upon pi, because we convert it into degree, multiply by 180 upon pi. So you got 5 ones, 5 threes, 5 6, and what is equal to 108 upon pi degree. 108 upon pi degree. If value of pi is given to be 3.14. ओके, जर पायची किंमत आपल्याला दिलेली असेल तर मग हा तुमचा झाला डिग्रीमध्ये, आणि मग याने तुम्हाला डिवाइड करावं लागेल, आणि याने जर डिवाइड केलं तर काय होईल 10800 2 डेसिमल गेले 314 डिग्री आणि इफ वी डिवाइड बाय इट हाऊ मेनी डिग्री डिव्हिजन तुम्हाला येतं किती येईल ते 34 ॲप्रॉक्सिमेटली 34.49 ओके अगेन वी डिवाइड बाय इट 3949 degree. If convert this part into approximately किती that is equal to 34.40 degree. If we convert into radian degree, minute and seconds, then again multiply this by 60. You convert it into minute. That is equal to how many? 34 degree plus 40 into 60 minute, and that is 34 degree 0.24 minute approximately. This is the central angle. But if your answer is like this, it's also okay. If they give the value of pi, then your answer must be up to this. Okay, ekdam simple problem. We see next problem on this topic